Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Rava dosas are one of the most famous South Indian dosa recipes, and it's very easy to make this variety when compared to the rest. This is mainly because most of the dosa batters need to be soaked and fermented for longer periods of time, whereas there is no such hassle with Rava dosa. So you can prepare the batter in minutes and instantly make dosas with it. Sounds easy, right? So let's get started and check out this easy breakfast recipe. I have all the ingredients for the Rava dosa here. To a bowl, add 1 cup of rice flour. This is easily available for you in grocery stores or in supermarkets. 1/4 cup semolina, that is Sooji or Rava. 1/4 cup Maida, that is all-purpose flour. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon hing. Once you've added all the dry ingredients, just give it a quick mix. Next, add 1 medium-sized onion that's been finely chopped. 1 green chilli finely chopped. A piece of ginger finely chopped. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon whole peppercorns, and just a few chopped curry leaves. Mix all these ingredients along with the flour. So now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh curd. Now gradually start pouring the water and mixing the flour till you get a nice batter consistency. This particular batter will need a lot of water because we're going to make the batter nice and runny. It's going to be a nice pouring consistency. You can see how quickly the flour has absorbed all that water. So you have to pour little water at a time. It looks almost like a thick buttermilk consistency. So I have poured almost 1 liter of water to get this particular consistency of the batter. You can check for seasoning at this point, and if you do need to add a bit of salt, you can. So now the Rava dosa batter is done. Let this sit for about 30 minutes. So the batter has been sitting for about 30 minutes. You can see how runny it is. If you have any excess batter left, you can refrigerate it for up to 2 days. Now we're going to start making the Rava dosas. For this, make sure the pan is nice and flat. You don't want a curvy pan. To the pan, just add a few drops of oil and wipe off all the oil. Now I recommend you to use a non-stick pan for this dosa recipe because you will get it nice and crispy and it's easier to remove it from the pan. Once the tawa is nice and hot, start pouring the batter from the outside. So you can see the batter is very runny and very thin. All you need to do is just pour the batter onto the tawa on all sides. So if there are any gaps in the middle, pour a little bit of the batter and fill it up. After about a minute, pour oil on the sides of the dosa and in the center. So you do need to add a little extra oil for this particular dosa because you want it nice and crispy, and we will not be flipping it to the other side. So the Rava dosa will take at least 10 minutes to become nice and crispy and to get completely cooked through. Maintain the flame on a medium. So once the dosa becomes lovely brown and crispy like this, you can start releasing it from all sides. So you can see how crispy the dosa is and it's cooked through beautifully. You don't have to flip it to the other side. Just reduce the flame a bit and gently take care to see not to break the dosa. The Rava dosas are best enjoyed nice and hot right out of the tawa. You can enjoy it with some nice chutneys and sambar by the side. This is a very quick to make instant dosa that you can easily try at home. You can see how beautifully it's roasted. These instant crispy Rava dosas are even better than the ones you get at restaurants. Trust me guys. Do try the recipe and share your feedback and comments in the comment section. So make sure you follow all the steps to get it perfectly. I'll give you a couple of links to the other dosa recipes that I've made earlier. Check them out as well. The Rava dosas taste best when they're nice, hot and thin. You can enjoy them with some coconut chutney or peanut chutney or any other chutney of your choice. So do try them for your next special breakfast and let me know how it turned out for you guys. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.